Good morning, my dear students. Let us see maths first. First lesson, sets. In previous video, we have seen types of sets and its examples. We have seen last point or last type of set, that is equal sets. Now let us see few more examples of these sets. Let us see definition. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if every element of set A is in set B and every element of set B is in set A. It means all the elements of set A is in set B and all the elements of set B which is in set A. Then we can say that set A is equal to set B or A is equal to B. Now let us see example. Example number 1. Set A is equal to x such that x is prime number and 10 less than x less than 20, and B is equal to in curly bracket 11, 13, 17, 19 bracket complete. Then A is equal to B. Verify. Now here we have two sets, set A and set B. Set A is given, that is x is a prime number. Prime number means a number which is divided by 1 and its self number. That is called prime number. So here condition is there, x lies between 10 to 20. X is a prime number which is lies between 10 to 20. So 10 is less than that number. It means that we have to take bigger than 10 and below the or less than 20. So we have to find set A. Let set A is equal to, according to this condition, so elements between 10 to 20, so bigger than 10, that is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and less than 20 means 90. Now here we have to find out prime numbers. Prime number means divided by 1 and its self number. Therefore 11 is prime number, 13, 17 and 19. These are the numbers which are divided by 1 and itself. 12, 14, 15, 16 and 18 are not prime numbers. Therefore we can write prime numbers 11, 13, 17, 19. Now we got set A and already we have set B. B is equal to 11, 13, 17 and 19. Now see in both the sets A and B, all the elements of set A which are in set B and all the elements of set B are in set A, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Therefore we can say that set A is equal to set B. Therefore these two sets are equal. Now let us see second example. Second example, if A is equal to in curly bracket 1, 2, 3 bracket complete and set B is equal to in curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4 bracket complete, then A is not equal to B. Verify. Now two sets are given and we have to find out these two sets are equal or not. Now let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see, all the elements of set A are in set B, but all the elements of set B are not in set A. 4 is not there in set A. Therefore, see, 1 is there in set A and B, 2 is there, 3 is there, but 4 is not there. Therefore, we can say that set A is not equal to set B according to the definition of equal set. Now let us see few more examples from practice set. Practice set. Example number 1. Decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not. Justify your answer. We have three set A, B, C. Set A is given in curly bracket x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2 bracket complete. Set B is equal to in curly bracket x such that x is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite bracket complete. And set C is given in bracket x such that x belongs to n, x less than 2 bracket complete. Now by using these three sets we can find the sets are equal sets or not. Now we have three sets. Let A is equal to set A, x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. So first we have to find the value of x. So 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore 3x is equal to 2 plus 1 after shifting this value to right hand side. 2 plus 1 that is 3. And therefore x is equal to 3 upon 3 that is 1. And therefore here we got x is equal to 1. So here set A is equal to a single element that is 1. Similarly, we have to find set B. Set B is equal to, in set B, x is a natural number but x is neither prime and nor composite. It means that there is only one number that is 1 and 1 is neither prime and nor composite. So we got set B is equal to 1. Let us see set C. X such that x belongs to n. It means that x is a natural number. Condition here x less than 2. Natural number which is less than 2. And we know that natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3 and so on. So less than 2, that is there is only one number. Natural numbers already we know that 1, 2, 3 and so on. So less than 2 means there is 1. 1 is less than 2. Therefore here we got set C is equal to 1. Now we got three sets. We have set A, 1, B1 and C1. So for this we can say equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3. So in these three equations or in above equations we can say that set A is equal to set B is equal to set C. Therefore A is equal to B is equal to C. All these three sets are equal sets. Now let us see second example from practice set 1.2. Which of the following are empty set? Why? Number 1, set A is given. A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. Number 2, set B is equal to x such that x square is equal to 0. And number 3, C is equal to x such that 5x minus 2 is equal to 0, where x belongs to n. N means natural number. So which of the following are empty set and why? Empty set means there is no a single element, or there is not a single element. That is called empty set or null set. So let us see number 1. Set A is given. A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. Now we know that natural numbers means starting from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now let us see number line. This is number line. Left hand side of 0 indicates negative numbers. Right hand side of 0 indicates positive numbers. So we have to find natural number smaller than 0. So smaller numbers means left hand side numbers, and these numbers are not a natural number. Therefore we can't take any number, and therefore set A is equal to empty set, that is 5, and therefore set A is empty set. Let us see number 2. Set B is equal to x such that x square is equal to 0. X square is equal to 0 means there is no any number, therefore set B is empty set. Next, number 3. Set C is given. X such that 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. X belongs to n. It means that x is a natural number. This example. Now we have to find the value of x. 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 5x is equal to, after shifting this value to right hand side, we will get plus 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 upon 5. Now here we got x is equal to 2 upon 5, and 2 upon 5 is a rational number. It is not a natural number. Therefore here 2 upon 5 is a rational number, and therefore it is not a natural number, and therefore we can write 2 upon 5 does not belongs to n, and therefore set C is empty set. Let us see few more examples in next video. Bye. Take care.